Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the continuous Sudoku puzzle on January 18, 2023. Two star Sudoku. Column E, column G, we have 7. Fourth row also we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 1, 5, 3. That 3 numbers can't come in the 2 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 7th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column F, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 will come in other cells. We will confirm later. 6th row and 5th row, we have 8. Column E, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, 8th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, 8th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 7th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. 8th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 will come in other cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 numbers are remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Column F also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Third grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then third row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Fifth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fifth grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Seventh row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Seventh row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining. Fifth row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fourth grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.